Answer quotation for Bible no say orifo ma Jesus obewia na wakun na wasɛe. Amanfo kyerɛ mu say that orifo no ono any NDC government. Uko media ne so a TikTokers for in fact Ghana for no abe clash with John Mahama any NDC leadership over the corruption scandal bi a ekoso e NDC leadership ni mu. Ait eye omo general deputy secretary Musafa Gbande ana ebeti omotu. Na uko media so Ghana for no kan wadwen kyerɛ NDC for. Me ma nkyerɛ mu no kyerɛ wadwen ama me. Comment section. I have Penyah block media. Me so say need mu. Obe like video no ada ma subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest update. Na be kyerɛ wadwen de ama me. Comment section. Me so ba so. No wa share for so anya bi ahwe. Enti ase bone ensuma. Bone nsuma. Just untimi fa bone ehinta bone nsuma. Ana say nsuma untimi fa bone ehinta. You can't hide it. Bone nsuma. Onum say NDC government lo mo ho say omo beboa no mo to krata asehye any proye as a corruption ni dream o metu ase bo mo so o metu ase na ka Ghana fo nyina eje omo baba ezo so omo so unto say conversation bi a omo a committee no mo have ye no leaky on the media as a Mustafa Gbande ana in a certain viral video yehu say odina na okasa yes meeting bi a NDC bi empanifo ni bi ye na Mustafa Gbande kasa na obroburu sika je say month bia no NDC spend that sika no on each constituency je say sika we every Ghana your coffers mu taxpayers money abani deploy ema sika we eba ema every month bia no omo dey support constituency je say Ghana ya je kire no omo ja Ghana ho no omo je kire omo party.
If your wife was not appointed, you yourself was appointed. It did so. For the first time, regional secretaries and field chairmen assumed the responsibility of regional ministers. For the first time in the history of our country, if you go to the regions, about 8 to 9 executives of every region have been appointed into government. And if you go to the constituencies, about 8 or 10 executives of every single constituency have been appointed into some office of government at some level. Today, as we speak, 20,000 cities go to the constituency every month to service the party. And it comes straight from the president. As we speak, if you look at form and shapes of governance and governments that get formed, Ghana have never had the kind of government we have today. The support we got were so diverse that it didn't just come from NDC people. So you realize that at one time, you would appoint some stranger into our midst. At one
Omaja Oman ho, and no, they are building their party. Omaja Oman Konkron Ghana ho. As always, the car. Musafa Gbande everybody and massa. Yesika kuma. Yesika kuma. Na say, Omuba say, Ombe Oman fenam. Na na Ghana fon say na asembe ni. Na operation cover all loot na wasem ba cha kromfo no. Na muni wo mu hwan ne di tie
mehu se enkomo bi abeto media ne so enkomo na kire se NDC aban bae constituency executives omoda payroll so chese busumi bia no an amount of 20,000 eko e komo na masa unse sasa ne beto odwa o media na so no NPP social media activists ni bi afa asem no ebi echire mu yie ebi so de omoka no monya careful we a campaign promise a campaign promise. Most of the campaign promise and I say enema NDC cars obeying on mine there be man here. John Dramani Mahama was talking directly to certain group of people. But in Kaka say NDC no democracy indeed. onje the masses enti nipa kuma bi magi sika nhyɛ omanum no mundi na omum na bonten meye he se aban ne ye enti ehyaase free metro men ehyaase free media for ehyaase free nipa bi on fi so ma ye adwuma ama aban na nyedai emfi wo mo ba aban mu emfi wo mo ye ka se oman na bibi nkoye ne ye complain a na obi ti wonom se aban ne ba in just 10 months ena mo bonachi in just 10 months obi so ye adwuma ama aban ne mfi ne de ehunhu ye meboa ye no de ehunhu ye mo be kaya John Dramani Mahama ko gina platform so ka say obeba beji mu momo na busumi bia ya send mo 500 na mo fi se hwan mo no mo kasa eno na asha ase no and wo no nya bi ni because of say you are not part of them what did them chona say eto so mienu ebra waka so ode nkokọ nketenkete initiatives ne beba no go and look at the video or say ode nkokọ nketenkete ne ba no akyerechim the benefit nkokọ nketenkete ne ba mu benya afei obesre say party executive ne constituency executive fo nyina mfo omo ho nya den enjim yasem ni ye enti eye campaign promise awan meki and say ene NDC fo etua constituency executive for car MPP for a more kasa or app iso no monye very careful with some of your comments. Monye very careful with some of your comments. Because let me borrow a speech from the Ashantis. Nana man can say ya appear omo fanche me ya bofra. Omo kan asem bi say obinya asabia on anko baby. Obinya asabia anko baby. Mo instead of say mo besua lesson every mu no. Ebi mo kasa mani je ho kra. Oti ase ebi mo kasa entwa yi. Let Ghanaians know what is going on. Say ye hear clearance, say clearance so. Ansan ye teachers for the next forecast. What clearance did the government did or have to pay those constituency executives? What clearance? And as is a more majority. Ghana for a majority number ya more much less or minor or more bet me at home. Or more pa the omo person do money ye piano mode. Because the constitution stated clear. Enti the all ye piano say call parliamento so nya clearance so mo Ghana for na mo so omo fa sa me di Ghana for boni amoye ene se moto abama NDC say NDC sa me di o man abro. NPP ba aban mu no omo anya sa opportunity no because edrume bi kwa na ye difference one enti say ye take decision for parliament kwa na ye delay na che ade e was say it take effect within 2 weeks it made 3 months ye ni ha na budget kro omo nko approve kra no na omo so omo nko parliament ye ni ha December na omo so omo nko. All because of someone said they at that time they matter in parliament. It is ma proceedings near the no or more the no intimidate NPP for. Until some of the government decisions be a no take say delay you say bantam was based on parliament. And then parliament ne kromuma parliament mishia out of 200 and something 70 something parliamentarians ne gu hono no ne nipa 70 na aba. E nipa 70 e na aba parliament. Enti mo majority abano ko mutimi tro mo fie no mato no online ni ya take decision dia mo man no ni ye ko yanim nyame ya adoma 2028 beka wo ye ho beka MPP ye ho na I believe in the policies and systems of NPP na ma MPP the same majority na hwe improvement a aban no betimi ahye edi abo omanfo empo MPP nya such majority to take certain decisions kura o man mu no hwe improvement ye betima bone mako 10 a ni nyina ye social interventions ababia obekobi e wo ho a ebo o man no na sia yi health insurance omoba ya omoye na fechiri ya nkrofo ko hospital a omuntimi fa health insurance nko aba media na so na media for reporting and fahin kusi na denden. These are the kind of things I can want them say MPP policies and systems no ni nyina egu a ebeje monsa wo man wi mu And when such policies and systems ever, you think everything is all right. Yes, there we any problem biya. Monto abanama NPP. Na moma a majority. Na monhwe de ye di tumi betimi aye de abo man because last year, look at the intimidation at Parliament NPP firm. Ade bia wo se ye de ko parliament na parliament pass na ebo man nkan kwon ni mpuntuo no. De omo be stress even budget kwa no mo stress aban no. Budget no more stress ya buy say omo nkompo na aban ati my budget. Enti Ghana for ye besere mo pa de aba no minim say enhye da nye de saa. Nanso so eye Ghana for na anwo ntumi saa. Se omo nsan fa medi wo man na boro. Na minim say NPP nya such to me any majority in parliament. Na say NPP be do one from 2028. Based on their memory many without majority in crime implementations of mine, they can do more. Follow page, na share Emma Unia be ente.
Alright, so Abuja, breaking news ni say if you are an NDC member, if you are an NDC, who ye NDC ni a utwa bama John Dramani Mahama awaba power no. You see, every month, John Dramani Mahama, the president of Ghana, sending 20,000 Ghana cedis. And 20,000 Ghana cedis to every constituency for every NDC member. Obere, nenye NDC to, ne dakona ne NDC. President John Dramani Mahama, Jimure Sharama, a corner a ga akbe blave Ghana city lose 20,000 Ghana city. You coronary constituency abe Anglo constituency fiel and kind of here. Miamo katalafma ajaba 20,000 market President John Dramani Mahama says na me ajaba me iremia party office huga. So if you are an NDC member and you have not received this money, the share of your share of this money since January till now, almost 11 months to 12 months, 1 year did that. You have not received it. Please, free advert. Go to your party office and go and demand for your money. Because in America, it is there. The evidence is there. There's a video evidence of NDC officials. They are the ones saying it that President John Dramani Mahama spend this kind of money every month. But the question is, where is the President John Dramani Mahama getting all this money from? If President John Dramani Mahama can be sending 20,000 to every constituency every month, and teachers, nurses are not paid for 10 months, and they are complaining, and you people will open your mouth and tell us that by Papa Bano. Hey, 20,000. Just multiply that 20,000 with the number of constituencies we have in Ghana. Hey, please, we end this in here. Sorry, na kwaji udi no. And yes, so. Me maka.
Yeah, Ghana for. We say this Attorney General. He will leave his office as the worst Attorney General, the most useless, the most incompetent Attorney General Ghana has ever known. And there, Obra Moma won't to me bray ya betche no koshe yoko 2 weeks, it didn't trophy no. You want to depend on the evidence of his manager. Say, if you are an Attorney General worth your salt, who be jina TV, so be jina social media, na who didn't trophy and kofon. What be good do boy in any reanimasi? Buffer stock nini, a buffer stock, a director, and in a what be didn't transform. When you go to court, it's a different thing altogether. I try NDC for a dear Ghana for team. Just for power. Now, when you go to court, you are found wanting. If you are an Attorney General worth your salt, if you say you have evidence against whom to me, go and jail him. Now you want to drop charges against his manager, so you depend on the evidence of his manager. You have no evidence of your own. Have you seen Ghana for someone? Omubeye oral only a betching kofogum and net dom level say 80% of the evidence you gathered at a oral a garbage, a trash. Now listen to a woman, member of parliament from Kaswa, and then after making people beat our Kumsen because of the lies you told. NDC for money, everything about NDC is lies. Oma oba ekodom NDC ordinary crack kwasho bronsamism. Because BBF NDC from the presidency to the list a true phone President Mahama Jina Simpesu no dintro. Ama judges and the judges anka yedi a rare shemu. Munia obeka sa jungu ne gumutrim. Motimo makunyam namu dintro ye tutu evidence, raw evidence namu still are you want to jail people innocently. You can connive with the law lords. We will petition the Lord God Almighty. And when I'm hu judge kwa ube kwa shekona na odi evil evidence ebe jailing for kidney disease will attack you, stroke will attack you, you will die prematurely, you sit in your car and your car will crash, you fly aeroplane, it will crash in the air. And when I'm hu say God fight for the innocent. Edubuayin and his wife, look at the disgrace and the shame you have made them pass through. Now you cannot get anything against them. Namu dintro, namu gunko for reputation. You can cyber security. And Niama Dubuanya beye. NDC for more diatros and everything about NDC has been lies. And me as a hoodwinke more than 70% of the population of Ghana. A Jimmy for among Jinti. Every evil and every lie NDC tells no mudieche. National Cathedral ekosi saying. You couldn't get any evidence in the National Cathedral. Kofa, Deloitte and Tush, they couldn't get evidence. Today, you can't bring Ken Ufreata to prosecute him because you have no evidence. Meanwhile, I'm not tarnishing the image. If you have any evidence, bring Ken Ufreata to come and prosecute him. After all the jackpot and the stupid national security jumping into people's houses with guns, you have no evidence against Ken Ufreata. Have you seen how stupid the NDC parties, the whole NDC party machinery is full of lies, criminals and armed robbers? Said in Tamaklu, where we are 900 billion OCD, they are finding it guilty. You couldn't bring her down. You would declare Ken Ufreata fugitive. Mumba niaya kromfo. A cromfo, a man can see a dear mumu a cromfo, they steal with left, right, center. Namu din trophy kufado nini and me say the God of a kufado will punish you with sicknesses and incurable diseases, where guns and ammunitions cannot stop you. Intimoni law lords no, judges no, Montanase, Monpakium, Namunfa tro, Angeling for Radibe Kunkum 11111. Mrs. Sicknesses and diseases will never leave your doorsteps. If you temper with the any evidence, you temper with justice. The Lord God, may say you can connive with the law lords, we will connive and we will petition the Lord God Almighty. And then wound to me, what has wound to me done? You have no evidence today, you want to depend on the evidence of his manager. Where is your evidence, Attorney General? Shameless man. Incompetent hollow man. TV, when you drink, then you come and stand on television and you disgrace people. Look at you people. She said, Morani helter skelter. Galamsey, Atro. Today, look at Collins Dowda and your stupid MPs beating soldiers. Namu go Kufado Mufi. What has happened to the Galamsey? Usi Kufado Nini Nuanmu be real. Ghana Sika. Now your brother who could not acquire gold mining today under 6 months is able to buy $100 million gold concession. Eradibe exposimo. Shameless NDC.
Government to procure 500 new buses to revive Metro Mass Transit and boost public transport nationwide. Transport Minister Joseph Bukari Nekpe, we are comfort. Transport Minister, I dare you, Miss, we are comfort. That done a go on Metro Mass co stations one mokohe. That then the Google on I didn't think I repair that dano. Name Fesican Ghana Sicano. And ya the papa what for us be a juma when you pay your binye a come near dinipa or Ghana. So se mo kwa akoto NDC aban mo kwa akoto metro mas 500 asa boosti adwuma no na dada no mo be ne dai mo be ma condemn na akofa na se dada no mo de be ma mo yere no mo mprafo dada na gugugu honom na ebu honom a inji keke enenim ebu honom a front tire keke enenhyem ebu honom a windscreen keke ena apai ebu honom a seat no ena asesei insese mo be repair no insese mo be fabrication no insese mo be rejuvenate no samo kwa koto 500 metro ma hey Ghana NDC aban Ghana we no so ye for my Ghana emani mu no obia wontimi ayi otimi nyusu ayi ni brain no enka se me revive no ma bi onom na emum gise don dada na onom empege sam de mekotom no na da be na oman no timamufo na se bi ye breed na ye twa sukotwa na ye tin pentikwa na yesu na ye tumi koma am no da be na so ye ebe so ye so transport minister ye nimse we de a odan shamya ye nimse transport ya woge odan shamya unim de onse gina so unim de ona gina so nti ya we de oso kwa koto 500 metro mass e de ababe revive bus adwuma no abe so a bus dadan go no ebetimi a revive no ye betimi a rejuvenate no amani padi ya adwuma mani pansa akona no ye set Ghana sikabotene asa kokoto buses abegum na dadan na egu ho no condemn fo atwitwa no kakran na mboso so motonton bi e de amama condemn fo no motonton bus ni bi e de ama other countries so mumfa yennim mo se mo betima ye yennim politician yennim se bi ye supporter a say NDC aba yennim papa buses ni guo no mo ko bus terminal so metro mass terminal so no mo ko buses ni guo kon tai keke enenhyem inji keke na enam stie keke na atuo mo vavo sa no ma no mo rejuvenate sa no ma no na mo na mkoto aba no ebetimi edi nnwuma ebetimi aye mfidi nnwuma bi ebetimi aketi nnwuma bi amatimamuni asa bi woni adwuma ye obetimi aye bie mo nya sa no ma we mo ba ye ndisi abamba na kila sem na do so bia so we kila because o ma ni mo eden this obi chinsem ne ko ni nwia kon this obi eye ni nwia kala buli this obi ko langard mo pensu na langard cloud be some kla we me ha kla NDC aban na kla for doso man Ghana MPP pensu mu so bi so kla we kla bra ne hwew bra ba ye kla sam na MPP aban hwew buy na mo de kla sam na boys adane kla because adwuma papa bia ni o manim adwuma papa bia ni o manim just mo ba yusu we no mu brain no akreti bibia mani pa ye bia ye no passes hu hia na ayi transport minister Joseph Bukari ne kwe o kwa akoto Joseph Bukari ne kwe make us manu susumi na so who free the northern part of Ghana ensu kom ensuo ho eden ama nkofo ensuo ho eden ama northern region se bibia nipa sa ensuo kwapo nom no enye papa wetima je bibia fa hono wo se de kwa akoto buses na buses no esaba acha 2028 na sa asay na ba obeba aban foforo no obeba no ono so asa akokoto bas foforo anase se timu diga na bone anase mo ye Ghana yi ade na abro ne bayi ye politicians mo desa abro ne bayi na ye mo de because okoto bas no within 4 to 8 years no ebe say it said dada ne go na also koto foforo no ebe say now aban foforo obeba onso koto foforo di Ghana na mo pe Ghana ni ya anase mo pese Ghana no mo twiko na chi the BNPP ship o minor or revive o minor na mo ba side o man say atwiko akire one step o de party na mu o man Ghana na move ko na nim no mba na mo sa atwiko mo drag o man side no ko na chi na timamufo ho bre na timamufo bre ko kan si ya $30 so na tibon ko so NDC ni tibon ko so on akenka ye ne dinti no un ma kenka nim se ya $1 ya tete so no ma board no no kan yo mama aban eye onim se $1 ya tete so ba ye ntade onim se $1 ya tete so no ma board onim akenka na gwandisim ha my Ghana bro chali bre papa
Ubet ma chere wadwen amame e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media.